Your beauty should not come from outward adornment, such as elaborate hairstyles and the wearing of gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 3 and 4. What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen Sorry, and I am back with another video. So today we're doing a voiceover because this video was way too long to be talking through, and half of the scenes are sped up. So anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails. Well, my brother's doing it right now, but basically how we do nails. As some of you may know, we do have like a little nail business, side business thing. I don't really have a page right now, but if you go on my Instagram, you'll see in my highlights that I've done some nails, and you could go check it out there. But basically what we just did is clean the nails with some alcohol, and now we are about to get to digging the cuticles. So what he's doing now is taking the Instant Cuticle Remover by Sally Hansen, and he's applying it to all the nails. And basically what this does is it softens the epinecium, which is cuticle, on the nail bed, and it makes it easier for us to remove it. And by us removing it, what we're trying to do is ensure that the nails last longer, because most times if you have cuticle on your nail bed, your nails will lift after a couple of weeks, days maybe, and we're trying to ensure that that doesn't happen. So now what he's doing is cutting the free edge of the nail, which is the nail tip. And y'all, I was telling this man not to cut it, and he kept cutting. Because it took me a very long time to grow my nails up to that length. I know it may not seem long, but like it's been a while since I had nails, and my nail tips grew a little bit. So I was like, you know what? Like, I'm enjoying long nails. Let me have it for a minute. And no, he cut it. Now he is taking a 180 grit nail file, and he is basically removing the shine from my nail beds. Now he is removing all the dust from the nails with an alcohol wipe and a duster brush. Um, yeah. I think he forgot to show you the bottle, but what he's doing right now is applying IBD. Yeah, there it is. IBD nail primer to my nail bed. And what this does is kind of like a dehydrator, and it removes the grease from your nail bed and changes the pH of the nail, which enhances the adherence of the product, whether it be gel, acrylic, polish, whatever you're putting on. It just makes it adhere better. So what he just showed you in the blue bottle, that is Bonder by ASP, and what that is it acts as a primer and also as a gel base if you're using gel polish, or like we're doing today, polygel. And of course it all enhances the longevity of the nails. It makes it everything adhere better. You know what I'm saying? We don't want this to be falling off. No, no, honey. Basically, I forgot to show you guys, but after I put on the bonder, you must cure your hands. Curing is basically putting it in the UV lamp, and you must cure your hands for 60 seconds, a minute, to ensure that it dries. So these are nail forms, and they're like large stickers for your nails. This is how you put it on, if you can see in the video, like how he's doing to my nails right now. That's how you put it on. And basically, these are kind of like a replacement for tips. If you do your nails in the nail salon, you know what I'm talking about. The tips that they glue to the nail and then they put the acrylic on or then they put the product on. Basically, we're not doing that here. Since we're using polygel, we are just going to use forms and build it kind of like an extension. So there's no glue involved. You just put the product on your nail, directly on your nail, and directly on the nail form. And when you remove the nail form, your nail will be there floating without any tip holding it, basically. You'll see what I mean. You'll see what I mean. So now, if you guys are familiar with acrylic, you'll know that with the acrylic powder, you have to use monomer. So basically, for polygel, you can use alcohol as the monomer. So that's what we have in the little dapping dish by the side, which is a little cup. And this is the polygel by Yayoge in the color pink, I believe. And he is just applying it like so. So after he's done shaping it and whatever he's doing, I put my nail in the UV lamp and let it cure. You can do a flash cure for 10 seconds or a cure for 30 seconds. And what I did was 30 seconds, and I would just do it after he does each nail because I didn't want it to move. Because polygel, if you do not cure it, it will not harden, basically. So after he does one nail, I cure it. After he does one nail, I cure it. Just so it won't move, you know? Okay, y'all just saw how he took that off, right? So basically, that's what I was talking about. You pinch the bottom of the form and you drag it down to remove it so that your nail that you just built right now with the polygel is floating. No glue, no nothing. So what he is doing now is adding another layer of polygel to the nails because that first layer was kind of just like a base and a guideline. So now he's adding another layer to make it thicker, to make it not so see-through as well, and basically building the nail. after he's done all that, you cure it, and baby, look at this. This is the final product. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? My nails look fly. What? Get like me. This is the final product, guys, and I really hope that you like it. I am in love. Wait, did y'all really think, girl, we ain't done? We have to file those babies down. Did you see how look? Nah, we need to file them, shape them, do whatever to them. You know what I mean? Make it look nice, because we ain't finna walk outside like that. No, not today, not ever, honey. Not ever. You won't ever catch me like that. So after you're done filing it with a hand file to your desired shape that you want, or your client wants, or anybody you're doing it for wants, you're going to want to take an e-file. E-file is best recommended for this job. You're going to flip your hand over like you just saw me do, and basically he's going to file the back of the nail to ensure that it is smooth back there. Just like the front, the back got to be smooth as well. Okay? Honestly, the filing process is key, so take your time with it because you don't want to mess it up, okay? And if you're not familiar with polygel, when you file the nails, the dust is so fine, it gets caught up in every place. So you want to make sure you're wearing a mask. I should even be telling you this right now. You should wear a mask if you're trying to do anyone's nails or if you're going to get your nails done. Be cautious. And this, whatever. These are the nails that he shaped and everything. Um, yeah. So, what is this? What's going on here? Ooh, this is really fast. Okay. So what he's doing now is he's putting top coat on that clear nail, and we're gonna add some gems to bling it up. Bling it up, baby. We're gonna bling that, shame that. Okay, I'm too much. The thing I love most about polygel nails is that when you put the top coat on, it gives you this like jelly nail type look. Like what gel polish is like a different ball game. But like polygel, like it gives you that jelly look. Y'all will see what I'm talking about when I'm finished. So now he's going to be showing you a different method, which we forgot to do for all the other nails. So what he does is take clear polygel, put the clear polygel anywhere you want to put the gems, basically, and without curing it, put top coat on top of that, and on top of the whole nail. Then you want to put your gem in where you put the polygel, and then cure it. And by doing that, your gem will not, and I promise you, it will not fall out. So now when you've reached the end of your process, you can put some oil around your nails because guys, you've been doing a lot to your nails and it gets a little bit dry. So you need oil to make your hands feel and look moisturized. So that's what he's doing, rubbing it in. And basically this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope you guys like the nails as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. You've made it to the end, you might as well do so. And do not forget to share, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye.